Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to all viewers. I am Cikgu Hana, a teacher trainer from IPG Campus Bahasa Melayu, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. In my previous video, I have already explained and shared on tips and strategies on writing narrative essay. In this video, I am going to touch on expository essay. So bear with me, stay tuned, I am going to explain in a while. I'm back. We are going to learn about expository essay. The purpose of the expository essay is to explain a topic in a logical and straightforward manner. Expository essays present a fair and balanced analysis of a subject based on facts. So, expository essay, we present the facts and only the facts. There is no place for bias or opinion in expository writing. In a way, this makes writing simple. It is a matter of gathering and presenting the facts about a certain topic. A typical expository writing prompt will use the words explain or define. For example, write an essay explaining how COVID-19 has changed the lives of students. Notice there is no instruction to form an opinion or argument on whether or not COVID-19 have changed students' lives. So your essay is written based on facts. Here are other examples of the title in expository essay. How to develop leadership skills. Benefits of exercising. Uniform in school, pros and cons. Describe your favorite sport. Why libraries become less popular? What can video games teach youngsters? How do you plan to change the world? So these titles need facts. It requires you to write only facts. Expository essay is written with the assumption that the reader does not have any prior knowledge about the topic that is being discussed. The writing can be used as a tool to show the reader why or how something works. We need to use concise, easy-to-read language and not contain overly descriptive language or bombastic words. The sentences should be simple and straight to the point. An expository essay contains three primary sections. The first is the introduction, which will state the thesis, idea, or process that is to be explained. The body will include each of the steps or the reasons behind the stated thesis. Good body content will contain fact-based details. The piece should always be written in the second person using you and your as you are explaining something. The conclusion of the essay should touch on how the argument is proved or the wrap-up of the process being explained. It should also restate the thesis. Here are the types of expository writing. We have problem and solution, cause and effect, compare and contrast, definitions and classification, how to or process and procedure. Here are the steps in writing expository essay. For problem and solution, cause and effect, and compare and contrast essays, we normally generate a hypothesis. We write that in the thesis statement, and then we find evidence to support our idea. After that, we shape arguments to back up our hypothesis. We must also be sure to support our topic, providing plenty of facts, details, examples, and explanations, and we must do so in an organized and logical manner. Details that can support our expository writing include anecdotes, comparisons, quotations, statistics, descriptive details, definitions, charts, and graphs. For how-to or process and procedure essay, we normally establish a thesis, and then we create a list of step-by-step instructions, and then we write the draft, and after that read it to someone who does not know much about the topic, and then get the feedback. Now that we have a clearer understanding of expository writing, we should be ready to write our essay. One final tip: be sure to give ourselves plenty of time for the writing process. After we have completed our first draft, let our paper sit for a few days, then return to it with fresh eyes. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching till the end. I appreciate it so much. So I am going to have another video on descriptive essay. So bear with me and wait for my next video, and do not forget to click on the like button, comment, share, and subscribe channel Cikgu Hana. Thank you so much. Bye for now.